This is how to use the microphone tool in Seesaw. You'll find it here on the left side. It looks like a microphone. After you click it, it gives you a countdown. It says 3, 2, 1, and then it's time for you to record what you want to say. So let's say that the assignment here is to sort the words out and then to record myself reading them. This is how that would work. I'll click the microphone button. There's my countdown. Spice, mice, wide, tide, pile, file. And then it's just off screen, but there's a green checkmark button that says done, and that is what turns off the recording. Now you'll notice I have a play button in the middle. If I want to listen to what I just did, I can click it, see if I like it. If I'm good with it, I can just turn in my work. If I don't like it, I can click the microphone again and it'll tell me, oh, you're only allowed to have one recording. I'll say, okay, I want to re-record, and you can try that again. All right, now here's the bonus level. Here's something I didn't figure out at first. While you are recording the audio, it actually also records what's happening on the screen. So if you want to make a recording where you're showing something, like you're demonstrating something and you're explaining it, you can also do that with the microphone. So I am going to delete this recording that I have, and I'll show you how it's also recording the screen. There's my 3, 2, 1. Twice, side, bride, dice. And now when I click the playback, you can see exactly what I did. So if you're wanting to record students demonstrating something or explaining their work as they do it, or even just showing something that parents will watch later, the microphone will also do that for you. That's how you use the microphone.